So what we do is we actually catch a bird that's on a nest, and we put a harness, a transmitter with a little backpack harness on it. It's just like wearing a backpack for us. And the transmitter, or the receiver, takes GPS points and saves them on the device. And the bigger transmitters for the larger birds can actually send it back, so we can watch them almost in real time as they move around during the post-breeding season. But for the little guys, the semi-palmated sandpipers and the Dunlin, the transmitters are so small, or the receivers are so small, they don't actually transmit. So we actually have to catch the bird again the following year. So the bird has to collect data all year long, fly down to South America or wherever it goes, or to Asia, come all the way back, come to the same spot, and we have to find that individual and catch it again, which is a huge challenge. So today we went after this one bird in particular that's been eluding us for weeks. I think 2 days after we arrived here in the middle of June, we saw this bird that we had tagged last year. It had a backpack transmitter, everything looked good, and then it disappeared. And so we were looking for it, and we just said, okay, we'll find it tomorrow. And we searched and searched and searched. We covered the whole study area, could not find this bird. It's a huge area to cover. It's like literally looking for a needle in a haystack, only the haystack covers several square miles. And then today, or actually last night, one of our crews spotted it. We went out again today to find it, and we did find the bird, but then we couldn't catch it because they need to have a nest. So we're looking for not only the bird itself, but the bird's nest. And the birds are very cryptic, they're very hard to see, they're camouflaged well, their nests are, and sometimes they don't even have nests. So we followed this bird around for hours, just kind of hanging out, watching what it was going to do, and then we concluded that right now they either don't have a nest or they're getting ready to nest. So we're hoping in the next few days they lay a few eggs, they get tight on the nest, we can catch it, take that backpack off, the bird will be happy, and we'll have the information. In addition to the Dunlin and the semi-palmated sandpipers we did last year, we're working this year on pectoral sandpipers. And pectoral sandpipers are species that move all over the place from year to year, so we can't really rely on getting those transmitters back. So this species is a little bit bigger. We put the transmitter on that actually sends the locations continuously. So every week we're going to get an update on what our bird's been doing over the last week. And so we should see in almost real time this fall, as the bird leaves the nesting areas, once it's done and raised its chicks, we should see these birds as they head out to the coast, as they fatten up before migration, and then actually as they're migrating, we should be able to tell exactly when they leave the Arctic coast, when they arrive on the wintering grounds, and where they go during migration, down to a very fine detail. So they're taking really very fine detailed GPS points.